This is a short demonstration of the simple database that I've created to make the listing sheet process more efficient. So when we open the database, we have a main menu. You can either choose to add a listing or to view a listing. View the listings. So we click on add listing. The S number is generated automatically. As you can see, when we start inputting the data, we do have the option of customizing that S number manually, or we can set it beforehand to update automatically, but in a certain number format. So we select our customer. If the customer that we need is not there, then we can add a customer. Let's add McDonald's number. Now we can select our customer that we just added. Next, if our principal that we need is not there, we can add the principal. Now we can select our new principal, and then I'll just proceed to enter all of the following data. We can choose to have the order numbers and GRN numbers and invoice numbers maintain a specific format that is specified before the time. At the moment, however, these numbers are not formatted to stick to a specific format. Okay, so now we've added this listing, and now we can choose to view the listings. We can view at the moment, we can view the listings and filter it by customer name or by inquiry date. We do have the option of adding additional functionality by querying by any of the fields or any of the columns on the listing sheet, and we can also filter it by multiple columns at the same time. So for example, we can filter by McDonald's between January and December of 2019. Do that again, and then we will see the listing for McDonald's. We have the option of emailing, so let's email that, and then a window will come up which gives us the ability to email a PDF version of this listing sheet. There we go, and then we can email that listing sheet. We have the option to export it to a folder on the computer, and we can also print this listing sheet. Additional functionality is available if requested, and more functionality will of course be added. This is just a very simple version of how this process can be made more efficient. Let's filter by date, so let's say the 1st of Jan 2019, and then it will give us all the listings for between 1st of Jan 2019 and the 31st of December 2019. Other functionality which is available, for example, will be being able to view all the customers, being able to view all the principals. However, this is just a very simple example of how the listing sheet process might be made slightly more efficient.